Instagram comments are slowly becoming buying intent. People comment things like price, link, details, but most businesses still handle all of that manually. So in this video, I am going to show you IG Threadly, a free Instagram automation tool that helps you automate comment replies, auto DMs, and even AI-powered Instagram conversations. This can work for creators, agencies, e-commerce brands, coaches, real estate businesses, local businesses, basically anyone getting inbound Instagram conversations. Let's get into it.
Alright, so I will just quickly walk through how the app works and how the automation and agents work inside the app. I'll just quickly click on the sign in and log in. Now if I just go back to settings, I have already connected like two of my Instagram account. And then if I just quickly move to automations, I have like three of the automations already created. I can just click on this new automation and create a new one. For now, I will just click on this one. So click on trigger and click on this change selection. I can change the post that I'm targeting for this automation. For now, I have selected this one. I'll hit confirm and save trigger. And in keyword router is basically in the post, I'm actually asking user to comment Threadly so I can send them more details about the app. Okay, so in keyword router, I added a rule. I can just go ahead and add a new one. But for now, I'm using this one. I have added the command keyword as Threadly and I've already given it a template. If I just click on this edit button, I can show what is inside the template. It have actually a static DM where I'm actually sharing the app link and some other details. And for the comment reply, actually I'm using 4 different variations which are randomly picked up and used for the comment reply. So here I'll just quickly type in the same keyword as the keyword router and hit run test. Now I can see it picked up the template and this will be the DM that will be sent and this is the comment reply. Now I will show you how we can set up agents so we can have a back and forth communication with the lead. If I just quickly open this up, I have given it a prompt, some instructions and some FAQs. And in the settings, I have enabled the auto connect on first year. So basically when someone send a message, this will be the agent that will be used to reply to that lead. And it is connected with my Instagram account. So now I will show you how I'm actually using this automation on one of my Instagram posts. So this post is actually created by this Fusion Sync Node.ai Instagram account. And for my personal account, I added a comment on this post. So this actually contains a Threadly, the same keyword. It actually triggered the automated message, which we can see here, and a comment reply. Then I asked it, I think 2 or 3 more questions. First I asked about pricing, then about sign up. Now if I just go back to the app in the conversation inbox, I can see the whole conversation. And right now, actually, I set it to human. Basically, I set it to human, then the user replied with thanks. And this, no worries, I actually added from here. And this will be sent back on Instagram. You can see it here. If I just quickly go back to app, in the leads, we can see all the leads. And if I click on one of these, I can see the entire conversation. In the analytics, now in analytics, I can see 4 leads, 4 people message. So basically how many people we have actually sent a DM. So one of them actually replied and I can see the reply rate 25%. Now one important thing before we set up the automation is adding our LLM keys. I'll just click on this add API key to add a new LLM API key. I'll just give it a name, a description, my API key, select the provider and the model and just click add key.
That's the full walkthrough of IG Threadly. Right now you can use it for free to automate Instagram comment replies and DMs in just a few minutes. I'll also be creating more tutorials around AI DM conversations, AI comment systems, single prompt AI agents for simple setups, flow-based AI agents for more advanced conversation logic. Basically everything around turning Instagram conversations into customers using AI. If you want the setup guide or access details, just comment Threadly and I will share the details.